See, this case of Nasrapur rape and murder case in which a 3-year-old girl was murdered after committing rape on her. This case the incident happened on 1st of May. On 2nd of May in the morning, the FIR was registered at the Rajgarh police station, 169 2026 under section 103 BNS, 64, 65 2 and the POXO sections. So in this particular case, as the judgment has come today and the accused has been awarded the capital punishment by the Honorable Court today. The Honorable Court has specifically mentioned a word in that judgment that is called the societal conscious. That the societal conscious, any judgment which comes upon in rarest of the rare cases that it has been declared today, whether there was what happened to the societal conscious on that day when the law and order situation was created after this incident, that the people were demanding the accused should be handed over to them and that they would do the justice in this case. So actually, what actually happened that people had to say that. So the Honorable Court specifically mentioned today in the judgment that the people had been losing faith in law enforcement agencies, that the same accused had been acquitted because of lack of quality in investigation, and also there was some loopholes in the criminal justice system. So in such a background, the people had demanded the accused to be handed over to them. So at that time, in that situation, the public was given a promise that within 15 days of the FIR registration, the charge sheet would be submitted to the Honorable Court and the case would be monitored on a fast track court. Accordingly, the same promise has been fulfilled. The prosecution has done a wonderful job. Special PP, Shri Ajay Misra sir and his team, within 16 working days, they have completed the prosecution of 55 material witnesses, and today we have this historic judgment in our hands where the accused has been given 3 death sentences in 3 different sections of POXO and BNS, and also the maximum punishment in the other sections levied in the case and proved with charges. So the investigation team deserves an appreciation and applaud because it has worked day and night within 15 days. This particular case had some innovative investigation techniques deployed. For example, due to the safety concerns of the accused itself, as the public was very angered. So we had done one memorandum Panchnama. There was a need of another memorandum Panchnama. That time we had deployed a virtual Panchnama, which has been done for the first time, and it has been approved by the court as well. So the investigation team also needs a lot of appreciation.
Has passed the final verdict of conviction and sentence of punishment. The accused Bhimrao Kamble is held guilty for all offences, out of which in 3 offences there is a prescribed punishment in the eyes of law. It's of the capital punishment, that is a death penalty. Accordingly, Honorable Court was pleased to award the capital punishment in the 3 offences. The Honorable Court has passed 137 pages judgment, in which the Honorable Court has discussed all the 12 landmark judgments of the Supreme Court, particularly on the point of mitigating and aggregating circumstances. The Honorable Court has concluded that this is very cold-blooded, well-planned murder for which the accused has made the recce. During course of this argument, we harp on the medical evidence stating that after death of the victim, the accused has made some atrocities on the dead bodies of the victim. Within this period of 39 minutes, there were almost 18 vital injuries on the part of on the person of the victim. So that again as considered as aggravating circumstances. only the age factor of the accused was considered as the mitigating circumstances, but the Honorable Court has washed out the same by stating that in the age of 65 years, when he is very thirsty for his lust, so such type of person cannot be considered for any mercy, and ultimately the punishment of death punishment, that is capital punishment, was awarded in 3 offences. Remaining for all other offences, the life imprisonment was given. And this is the landmark judgment. Within the 16 days period, the entire investigation, entire evidence was placed before court, and 55 witnesses were examined. The court has appreciated the investigating agency, the prosecuting agency, the medical officers, FSL officers, and particularly witnesses. Court has categorically stated that witnesses were waiting in the court in queue for adducing their evidence, and due to which this crime is proved beyond reasonable doubt. Thank you. The message to the society that then henceforth no such type of crime will be tolerated, and the criminals will get the harsh and hardened punishment if they commit such type of brutal offense. Thank you.